Okay, ask the question again.
Okay, I will ask you the question again because I didn't tape the thing. So you have got all the permission from any of your, I'm not sure who, your father or your mother. So you've got the permission, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Someone?
Why do you want to come to Malaysia?
Because, sir, Malaysia is nice and beautiful country.
Okay.
And
We have nice people here. The food also, I hope it will actually, the food also, I hope that you can get used to the food. Do you think I can get used to the food here?
yeah, it's okay, sir.
Can, do you think you can take spicy food?
Yes, sir.
I think shouldn't be any problem because you've been to overseas for 7 years and you can eat their food there. Malaysian food is something like the Philippine food. So I hope that you can get used to the food here. Probably it'll take you 1 or 2 weeks. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
What's the name of the meal?
I'm not sure whether this house got pets or not. Is it? If there's a small little pet, a small little dog, is it okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Can, shouldn't be any problem. Can you cook?
A little bit, sir.
I see. Okay. And are you willing to learn actually?
Yes, sir. It's my pleasure, sir, to learn, sir.
Okay. Now the important question is you have been overseas for 7 years, but do you still feel homesick if you come here?
No, sir.
No, And as I've asked you, you said that you like Malaysia because it's a nice country. But I'm also very sure that you want to help your people over there because you want to earn money. You want to help your people there, right? Maybe you help your
Yes.
parents or maybe your brother. How many brother and sister do you have?
I have 4 brothers, sir, and 5 sisters.
Oh, 4 brother and 5 sister. And how many are younger than you?
Yeah, pardon, sir?
How many of them are younger than you? That means not married and also need your help going to school or going to college.
All my brothers and sisters are finished school, but only their children. I need to help my niece and my nephew, sir.
Oh, they're very kind. You want to help your niece and your nephew. I see. So you must come and work, and you work properly. Definitely, you can help them. But if you don't discharge your duty properly, then everybody will be unhappy. Is that okay with you?
Yes, sir.
We say that you are responsible, caring, and all this fits very well for us. So I will definitely get the calling visa for you and make sure that you can come and make sure that you can work responsibly and properly here. Can you assure me that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I know a little bit of your educational background? How many years in high school? I know that you have got some training in the nursing aid 1 year. What about your other background of education? How many years of high school?
4 years, sir.
Oh, you got 4 years. I see. I see that your English is clear, very clear and easy to understand. As compared to also many Philippine domestic helpers, sometimes we cannot understand them, but you can speak very well.
Thank you, sir.
Do you know how to use electrical appliances? Let's say like vacuum cleaner, maybe electric kettle, electric
Electric washing machine.
yeah, washing machine, rice cooker, and also ironing. Do you know how to use all those electrical appliances?
Yes, sir.
Can because so many years they've been overseas. I'm sure they have all these appliances in the Middle East, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any question to ask me?
No, sir.
Okay. Now coming to your salary, we will try to tell the madam to come to something that is commensurate with your work, because this one we have got a family which we would like you to help out. This family has got one old man and one old lady.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the old man is on wheelchair.
Okay. And
Okay.
how old are, sir?
How old are they? Probably about 70 over to 80.
And
Maybe 70 over to.
And the madam, sir?
And the madam also maybe around that age. You just give me a minute, I'll find out because I'll find out from my colleague.
And then is for the maid to come
Alzheimer's?
over, huh? Okay? Okay.
Just a minute.
Not at the moment.
We'll call her back
but
later.
If there is, I will call you.
No, this one how I also don't know. Please.
Okay.
How old are they?
Let me see. Hello. Your name again? Delia.
How old are they? That's all.
They are very old, about 80 years old.
Okay, this couple here, I think they should be around 80 years old. And the father actually is wheelchair bound. The mother has got a medical problem which she needs to get somebody to help her to put in the tube. That means to insert the tube and to empty her urine. But I think they have got people to teach you. They will teach you on that. And do you think that you can perform this duty?
They are both Alzheimer's, sir?
No, they are not. They are not Alzheimer. They are actually like invalid. I think both still. I think they can talk. They can think. They are not Alzheimer. But they need help. They need help. And we will try and commensurate you with the type of work. So
Yes, sir.
would you be able to let me know whether you can do this job or you need to think it over and then probably get back to me or something like that? Because if you think you can, then we'll straight away probably get the calling visa for you so that you can come faster. But we will definitely talk to the employer because we know that this job is a bit difficult, and we will try our very best. As an agent here, we will definitely do everything for the domestic helper as well as for the employer. We are very fair to both parties. You see, you just let us know. Because you have got the training, you see. Once you got the training, I think that would be an easier job for you than those without training. And because of your training, we would like also to commensurate you with the appropriate salary. So we will speak to the employer.
Okay. It's okay, sir.
So what we want you is that you must come here and then you are aware of what you are coming for, and we don't want you to change your mind and give us problem. That's why we tell you very clearly, you see, what we intend to talk to the employer and what you want to tell us now.
There you go.
Is there anything that you want to ask me? Probably I will get back to
Explain
you.
this one clearly to her. Explain.
You just wait a minute. Let somebody to explain to you better because the customer interact with. Sorry, I got to interact with her. Just wait a minute.
Delia, can you hear me? You hear me? There's one family. Both the parents are old. Okay, and then both needs help. The father is on wheelchair, but he needs to be carried from the wheelchair to the bed and things like that. But he can eat by himself. See? Okay.
It's not too much big, madam?
A normal size. Normal size. A man normal size. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So he can eat by himself. What is needed is lift him to the wheelchair, and then lift him to the bed, or lift him to wherever he wants to sit, and maybe to bathe him if necessary, and then to help him in any way in his movement. Okay. And the other one, the wife, She is bedridden and is invalid. That means she needs a lot of help and attention, in the sense that she has this bladder problem, passing urine problem. When every 3 hours you have to insert the tube for discharging the urine. So that one will be taught to you by the doctor. So if you think you can, the situation is like this lah. Looking after the 2 old folks lah.
It's okay, no problem, madam. The situation is the same in Dubai when I was in Dubai.
Oh, you have come across such cases lah.
Yes.
You have, So okay. The one more question I want to ask is, you are aware that okay. So if this comes true, then your responsibility will be to these 2 old folks, and if you have free time, then you have to do some house cleaning also lah.
Yeah. Yes, madam.
Okay, you're willing. Okay.
Yes, madam.
You're willing, huh? Okay. Since how long already you have stopped work?
Here in the Philippines, madam?
Yes. That means from your last job till now is how long ago?
Almost 7 months, madam.
Oh, almost 7 months. So you came back from overseas. Okay. So you have chosen to come to Malaysia now, is it?
Yes, I'm ready, madam.
Yeah, ready for it. Okay. It's very nice. So you see, the employer will need you. That's why they employ you all to come over to help them. So if you can give your best service to them, if they are happy, then you will be treated well. You will be happy. So can you give your best ability and help to them? Okay?
I do all my best, madam.
Yeah, you do all your best. That's very nice of you. Salary was it? Okay, you continue. Finish already.
Delia, we definitely want you to know the nature of the job so that you can make up your mind to see whether you want to work or not. But as far as the commiseration of your effort, we will talk to the employer.
Yes, sir.
We want you to be happy. We want the employer to be happy with your job. So that's why we always stand in the middle. You can be sure that we will take care of you. If you come to our agency, we will make sure that we take care of you, and you can be sure that we get good employer for you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And definitely what they promise you, they must pay you, and no such thing as no refusing this and that. That you sometimes you might have heard. No, for us, there's no such thing. Okay, you work hard,
Yes, sir.
you will be rewarded in any way that the employer deems fit. The main thing is when you come here to work, you must not give us problem, you must not give the employer problem. And every day some of the domestic helper, they get homesick, then they cry, they don't want to eat, they want to go home, then we will have a lot of problem. I hope that doesn't happen to you. Would that happen to you?
Next week na lang. Baka next
No
week
problem, sir.
No,
Homesick, sir. It's easy for me, sir.
Yeah, because you've got so many years of experience, you just look for some work to do, and then you make it as an inspiration for you to work. Because when you feel homesick, that means your people love you and you love your people. So you must work harder in order to help them. You feel homesick, you don't work, that means you don't help them. That means you don't love them.
You must love your work, sir.
Yes, you must love your work.
And then, you make busy yourself so that you will not make homesick.
Yes, that is correct. Okay. So now, would you like to ask me any question?
How about my salary, sir?
Okay.
You don't, sir?
Okay, your salary, normally you see for a domestic helper, just ordinary work, like just looking after 1 or 2 children, that is not so difficult at this work. This work, we know that is a bit more difficult. We will commensurate you with the appropriate emoluments, that means the salary. We'll talk to the employer. It will be something that will commensurate with your effort. But how much do you expect? Actually, never mind. You can just let me know, because you already know the nature of the job. You just let me know. I just want you to be happy so that you can do your work properly.
Yes.
How much do you think? Last time you were working in the Middle East. How much you get, then with your experience, how much do you expect? You can let me know now. We will definitely tell the customer. And if I should think that when we show them the video, they should be very happy. They should be very happy with you. So maybe you can just let me know.
When I was in Kuwait, sir.
Yes.
Every 6 months, when my madam, sir, like my job, and then they show me that I love their children.
Yeah, okay.
Every salary, he give me, for example, 65 dinar. I make that one 70 dinar. And then after that, after 6 months, he make again, he add 5. Every salary, he give 5.
Okay.
65, and after 75, and it become 80, become bigger.
I see.
If they like my job,
1 dinar is equal to how many peso?
1 dinar, sir.
How many peso?
157 pesos. 1 dinar.
Oh, 57
Before,
peso.
157 pesos.
I see.
I
Oh.
don't know now.
I see. So it's about about 4 ringgit. So okay. So when you work in Malaysia, maybe you can let me know what is your expectation. Because I have to let you know that normally for a maid that just to do the housework, just to look after 1 or 2 kids, we pay them 13,500 peso. Okay, but we would also like you to know that you have the experience of 7 years and also trained in nursing aid. Maybe you can let us know, see, how much do you expect, so that we can let the employer know. What I am thinking of, I want everybody to be happy. When you work, you'll be happy, but make sure that you are happy with what you request for, and the employer is happy what they have paid for. That's a very important thing, you see. If everybody happy, then everybody also, what means if everybody happy, then things can work well. If not, means it's difficult.
Everybody happy.
Yeah, that's why I want everybody to be happy. So you just let me know your request so that I can bring forward to the employer, and I show him or her, the mom and the sir, the video. So maybe you can let me know. Would you be able to let me know how many peso do you expect? You just let me know in peso.
Peso, sir. 1 ringgit, how many pesos?
1 ringgit is 13 peso.
13 peso.
So that's why for normal one is about 1,040 ringgit.
No problem, my salary, sir. If I work after 1 month, it's nice. It's acceptable.
Okay. I will.
More.
Okay, I will tell madam about that. I think they'll be happy with that. So I'm sure you work well. They can actually reward you. I will tell them about that. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So is there any other question you want to ask me?
No more, sir. Thank
No,
you.
okay, so okay, thank you very much. I will definitely get this to the madam, and I'll get the calling visa for you, and make sure that you come. Don't change your mind, please. Can
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you very much, Dalia.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye. That's it.